Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Hello everyone, I hope that I'm live right now, guys. If you guys are able to listen me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. If there's any issues with the audio or the video, guys, please let me know. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. How are you guys? Is everybody fine? Is everybody great? Good evening, everyone. Is everybody fine? Is everybody great, guys? Please let me know. Great, great, awesome. So, what have we studied on yesterday's class, guys? Can somebody revise that for me? What have we studied in our yesterday's class, guys? Can somebody revise that for me, guys? Any one of you? Can somebody revise that for me? What have we studied in our yesterday's class? Can anybody revise that for me? What have we studied in our yesterday's class, guys? Hello, guys. Can somebody revise that for me? Docker volume. So, what did we study in our Docker volume, guys? What did we study in our Docker volume, guys? Can somebody tell me that? This is a quick revision, guys. After that, we'll be starting with our today's class. What did we study in Docker volume, guys? Can somebody let me know? What did we study in our Docker volume, guys? Can somebody let me know? So we basically, to create a Docker volume, use the command Docker volume create volume name. Okay. So Docker volume, we studied about what is Docker volume and why is it so important. So it basically allocates a particular resource to our container, inside of which we were able to get inside of our container using the -it, that is interactive mode, and we were able to create some files and folders inside of the container directly itself. In today's class, what we are going to do is we are going to learn how to mount a particular local directory to our container, so that whatever we are able to, we can work directly inside of that particular folder and everything will directly go inside of our container itself. That is what we're going to study in our today's class, guys. That is Docker volume mount. Okay. So are you guys able to understand what are we going to study in our today's class? Are you guys able to understand what are we going to study in our today's class, guys? Please let me know. Are you guys able to study understand what we are going to study in our today's class, guys? Yes? Okay. So that's great. One more thing, guys. So what I've done for you guys today, yesterday I made you guys see a reel, right? So I've created that reel and I've posted it up to Instagram, as you're able to see right over here. In the comment section, whatever questions or queries that you guys are having, you guys can put right over there. And I will take up a point that I'm able to reply back by creating more videos on that particular question itself. For example, if I'm having a question that I'm currently studying BCA, so what would be my like roadmap? What should I do right now? I'm in my first year. My aim is to get into so and so company. So what should be the roadmap that I should follow? Maybe my question is that can I ignore DSA? I don't want to do DSA. I just want to pursue development. How can I make a career out of it? Maybe my question is, for example, I want to create like for example, I want to enter into the realm of freelancing. So how can we do that? Okay, so whatever questions or queries that you guys are having, you guys can put down the comment section of the YouTube video, and I will be creating videos on that question and sending it to you guys. So you don't have to worry about it in this particular way. Because in YouTube, what happens is that you guys put a lot of different questions, but I'm not able to answer many of them. So I have created a new particular method itself in which I will be able to answer your questions, as well as you will be able to ask questions directly to me. So, like I said, if for example, Anu Krishnan, if you have any question, put in the comment section of the Instagram video. This is the Instagram reel that I've sent to you guys. Just put your question in the comment section of that Instagram reel, and I will be answering each and every question for you. Okay, will that be fine, guys? Please let me know. Will that be fine, guys? Please let me know. Will that be fine, guys? Please do let me know. Okay, great, awesome. So we'll start with today's class, guys. Let me share my screen first of all with you guys. So present, share screen. So today I'm working out of my local laptop itself, guys, because like I said yesterday, mounting is just not possible on Code Sandbox. That is the reason why I brought my laptop today in, so that you guys are able to learn from right over here. And I'm using the Windows laptop because I'm able to understand many of the students might not have a particular MacBook or something like that. Okay, for those who don't use Insta, create an Instagram account. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, so right over here, guys, once I've entered into my computer itself, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a folder first of all. Okay, so I'll go into my particular, let's assume opening up my command line cmd, okay, command prompt, and I will increase the size right over here so that you guys are able to see it as well. I will start by asking where I'm currently located at. So I know that I'm in users and Shaurya. Now, because this is a Windows laptop, guys, this is not a Linux-based laptop. Okay, this is not Ubuntu. This is not Linux. So whatever we are going to do, we have to put it up inside of the command. So commands for your Linux and Windows are actually different. For example, in Linux, if you want to check what are the different files and folders present inside of your current directory, you will use ls right over there, guys. That is list. But inside of Windows, the same command is dir. Dir will list all the different directories, all the different folders that are currently present right over here. As you're able to see, these are the different directories and folders that are present right over here, guys. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cd into my shape AI folder, guys. So I will create a new folder instead of that. mkdir devtown. Okay, I'll create a new folder called as devtown, guys. I will cd into DevTown, guys. So DevTown, I'll cd into that. Once I'm in my DevTown, I'll create a new particular folder called as mkdir. I'll call it as app. Okay. And inside of app, whatever files are there, I want it to be mounted to my container that I'm going to create. So I've just created a folder called as app. Anywhere in your computer, you can create that. You can call it as anything. You can call it as Shaurya. You can call it as Prerit. You can call it as whatever you want. Okay, that is up to you guys to figure out. Okay, I'm not saying anything in that. Once you have done that, let us open this up inside of VS Code, code dot. I hope so. This opens it up. So code dot in the Windows is basically a command that will open up VS. If you have VS Code already installed right over there, it will open up that current folder wherever you are located in. For example, for us, we were located in app. So as you're able to see, this app has been opened up inside of VS Code. Increase the screen so that size so that you guys are able to see. So currently we are present inside of DevTown, and then inside of DevTown we are present inside of app. We're going to create a new file right over here, guys. We'll create a new file, index.js, and we'll put up console.log. This is present in my local computer. Okay, we'll save this. So I've created an index.js file right over here, guys. I'm not able to see your chat. Let me open up your chat as well. Yes, Rauchuri, Jhansi, the seat is still available. I think so. We still have somewhere around 3 seats that are currently available right now. Just open this for you guys. Okay, so and let me open up the VS code and everything as well. That should be opened up as well, guys, for you. Okay, so right over here, guys, we have. So if I do dir right over here, as you're able to see, we are having the app folder inside of DevTown. We'll cd into app, and inside of app we can do dir once again. And as you're able to see, we are having an index.js file present inside of our app folder. We are having index.js file present inside of our app folder, guys. Now we are going to use our particular command, that is docker run hyphen it, that is in the interactive mode, hyphen v. So here we want to mount a volume, guys. Mounting a volume is actually pretty simple inside of this. You don't have to worry about that. So whenever you're currently present inside of your computer, just do. So for example, I want to mount this app. Excuse me. I want to mount this particular app folder into our particular container itself. What do I mean by mount? Whatever changes I will make inside of my app folder locally inside of my computer, the same changes will happen inside of my container as well. So I can directly work inside of my computer. I don't have to care about the container. So right over here, guys, hyphen v is right over here. So docker run it hyphen v percentage cd percentage. This basically determines the current working directory that you are present in. So I'm present in user Shaurya DevTown app. So I'm present in the app folder, the app directory. So percentage cd percentage determines that particular current folder, guys. Now I will do a colon, that where do I want to map it to. Okay, that this particular folder that I'm currently present in, I want to map it to a current folder inside of our Docker container, guys. That will be /home/app. Okay, I want to map the current particular directory to a particular /home/app. That is what I want to do. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please let me know that I want to map the current working directory where I'm currently present in. That is our app folder, which contains index.js, to a particular folder called as app inside of our container itself. Now, the name of the container that you want to create, so node, okay, that is the name of the container that we want to create, guys. And then we want to open it up in the bash mode, okay. We want to open up in the bash mode itself, guys. Now I'll press enter right over here. Somebody saying my screen is coming in between, so I think so this should be fine. So as you're able to see, we have entered into our particular container itself. Now we are currently present inside of a container. Let's do an ls right over here again, because the container is a Linux based container. Although our system is a Windows based system, the container contains a Linux OS, so we are able to use ls right over there. We'll go into home, then we'll go into app, and if we do ls right over here, as you're able to see, index.js is present right over there as well. I have not created it. This is a new particular node container that I've created, and index.js is already present right over there, guys. Now, if I do, like for example, cat index.js to see what is present inside of it, you're able to see that the same command that we created inside of our index.js is there. Console.log. This is present in my local computer. Now, if I do like node index.js to run it, we are getting that on our screen as well. This is present inside of our local computer, guys. Now, what if I want to make any changes? So let us do one thing. Let me open this up inside of this. Let me make some changes. This is now changed. Changed. Okay, let's save it. Does it able to see? I went. This is my in my local computer, guys. I'm not present in my container. This is my local computer. I made some changes inside of index.js. That this is now changed. If I go back to my container, guys, and rerun the particular command, that is cat index.js, As you're able to see, the same changes has been applied inside of a container as well. The same changes have been applied inside of a container as well. And if we run this, we're getting the same output as well, guys. This is now changed. This is now changed. Are you guys able to see this and understand it? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see this and understand this, guys? Please do let me know. So basically what we have done is that the app.jx has now been mounted to our particular container. So whatever changes we make inside of our app folder itself, the same changes will happen inside of our container. For example, if I go right over here, okay, if I go back to my folder, I create a new particular file. I name it as shaurya.js and I put up some more info right over here. So console.log. Hi, my name is Shaurya. I made these changes. I saved it right over here. If I go back to my terminal, okay, I will go back to my terminal and I will clear everything up. And I will put up my command ls. As you're able to see now, shaurya.js as well as index.js is present inside of my container as well. If I do node shaurya.js, as you're able to see, hi, my name is Shaurya is also coming up right over there. So in this particular way, it becomes easier for you to do your work. The best part about it is that it is a container, right? So if some mishap happens, if I have to delete my container itself or something like that, I can just respawn a new container and attach it to the same particular volume. So I don't have to worry about that my data is getting lost or I'm finding it very difficult to work upon my project itself. The best part is safety, because anything that happens inside of the container itself. It does not affect your system. Any virus also, if you are able to download it, it will download inside the container. It will not affect your system itself. That is the best part about using mounting. And most of the developers usually when developing their projects do it using mount. Okay, will it work on virtual machines? Absolutely yes. You can install Docker on virtual machines as well. Okay, it can be installed anywhere. Okay, that is the point of having a Docker container. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please let me know. Also, just to remind you guys that I have created the reel and I have posted it up on your particular Instagram itself. For example, if you have any questions related to your careers or any doubts or queries as well, you can put it in the comment section of this particular reel that I've put it inside of your like live chat. Okay, you guys can approach, like, just comment your question. For example, what should I study after learning arrays, or which particular language, programming language should I do before doing data structures and algorithms? Okay, how much days should I spend on learning a programming language? Any type of question or queries that you guys are having, you guys can, how can I find internships? Okay, just put it up inside of the comment section of this particular reel, guys, and I will create small videos for you and I will send it to you guys so that you guys are able to understand as well. Okay, so like I said, guys, I've created the reel. Do like the video and follow the page. It will be great for us as well. Now coming back to your certificates. Okay, so your certificates will be released in the next 3 days. It will take us 3 days to send you guys the certificates. If you guys are having 5 or more attendance, okay, using the exact same email ID, if you have changed your email ID as well, we will not be able to send you the certificates. Please do remember this. If you have 5 or more attendance out of the 7 to 8 days, whatever the case was, we'll be sending you guys the certificates on your same email address itself. Whatever your email ID was, we'll send the certificates on that same email ID. Are you guys able to understand this? You will first be receiving the Amazon and the DevTown certificates. The Google certificates might take up 4 to 5 days to be sent to you. because the certificates come from the company to us and then we send it to you, right? So it has been noted that DevTown and Amazon certificates will be sent to you guys in 2 to 3 days. After that, it will take us somewhere around 1 to 2 days more. That is 4 to 5 days in total to send you the Google certificates as well. So that will be the 3 certificates that you will be getting on your email address itself, guys. Again, reminding you guys, I have provided you guys today. There is no attendance. Okay, I'm not taking up any attendance for today's class, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, just make sure, guys, that you are liking the video and subscribing to the channel as well. I've provided you guys, again reminding you guys, I provided you guys the real video in the live chat. If you have any questions or queries, any doubts, any concerns related to your career, related to your studies, related to anything, you can put it in the comment section of the reel itself, and I will be helping you guys out with that. You don't have to worry about it. Okay. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please let me know. Yes? Okay, so we'll end the class right over here itself, guys. Today there is no attendance, so you don't have to worry about it. I hope to see you guys very soon on the comment sections in Instagram or in the next particular boot camp that we're going to start from 15. Okay. Hope that you will keep on learning, keep on growing. Okay, do not stop right over here. There's somewhere around 3 to 4 seats that are still available for the training and internship program. Those who are interested to enroll, please do complete your enrollment process as soon as possible, because once the seats are over, even I will not be able to help you guys out with that. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. We'll meet in the next class on 15th if you are joining us, and we'll continue from right over there. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.